In this video, I'll guide you through using a referral code on SHEIN. Let's get started. First, head over to shein.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, add the items you want to purchase to your cart. Remember, you can only use referral codes during the checkout process on SHEIN. So browse through the categories like women's clothing, kids, men's fashion, and more to find your desired items. Once you've added everything you want to your cart, click on the cart icon at the top right corner. From there, proceed to checkout by selecting all the items you wish to purchase and clicking on the checkout button. Now in the checkout process, you'll see a section labeled coupon code. This is where you will enter your referral code. Simply type in your code and click on apply to apply the discount. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.